kayang matutunan, pwedeng pagkakitaan.
Good morning. Kakahatid ko lang kay Mrs. sa work. So, kakauwi ko lang. Then, review tayo ng trades kahapon. Switch on natin tong trading station. Linisin ko muna. Medyo madumi eh. So, done na tayo. Parang mga 15 minutes review lang naman to. Kasi 3 lang naman yung trade ko kahapon. So far, 3 trade, total of $112 kahapon. Una, bumili ako dito, tapos binenta ko doon. Pangalawa, sell short, and then quick profit. Pangatlo, nag-sell short ulit ako, then, ayan, take profit dito. So, in-upload ko na yung journal. Bali, total of 112. Ayan, September 12. This month, ngayong September, 2 araw para ako nag-trade. Yung Thursday and Friday. Thursday is losing day. Friday is green day, which is winning the day. 67% win rate, 1.29 RRR. So, medyo profitable tayo. Within risk naman. And focus, hindi tayo overtrading. So, tapos na yung weekly journal natin. Normally, every Saturday ko ginagawa yun. Then, that's it. Wala na tayong kailangan gawin sa trading for today and tomorrow. And free na ang the whole weekend. Excited na ako sa Monday ulit to see kung ano yung mga pwede nating i-trade so the rest of the week. Enjoy your weekend, guys.
If you want to know more about Aral Forex, follow Aral Forex at Facebook, Instagram, TikTok at YouTube. Laging tandaan, sa Aral Forex, kayang matutunan, pwedeng pagkakitaan.